PALYNOLOgy-Introduction and Application. Palynology is the study of the various aspects of pollen grains and spores. The term palynology was first suggested by Hyde and Williams, 1944. It has its root in the Greek word palin means scatter, or in the Latin word pollen means flour or dust. പാലിനോളജി എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ പോളൻ ഗ്രെയിൻസിൻ്റെ പഠനത്തെയാണ് പാലിനോളജി എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. The term first was suggested Hyde and Williams. Then the palynology can be subdivided into basic palynology and applied palynology. Basic palynology deals with the pollen and spore morphology, the physical and chemical properties of pollen wall, as well as the correlation between palynology and cytology, taxonomy, etc. Next, applied palynology. Palynology comprises geopalynology, the study of fossil spore and pollen; aeropalynology, the study of frequency and distribution of spore in air; melitopalynology, spore in honey; lateropalynology, medical aspects; pharmacopalynology, role of spore in drugs; copropalynology, spore in excrements; and forensic palynology as an aid in crime detection. Application of palynology. It has tremendous importance in taxonomic and evolutionary studies. The sculpturing patterns of pollen exine are so characteristic that often they can be used in plant identification of the taxa, like fingerprints. Next point, aeropalynology and allergy studies, which involves the geographic and personal production of pollen grains and their impact on individual, causing allergic response. Aeropalynology is a subject of a great importance because of its application in medicine and forestry. It is now established that airborne pollen causes allergies like hay fever and seasonal asthma. Information about the type of pollen in the air has been of great help in determining the allergens. Most of the plants that cause hay fever belong to weeds and grasses. Seed production in the forest trees is also linked with the occurrence of the pollen in the air. Melissopalynology, that deals with the study of pollen and spore in honey. Pollen grains form an important ingredient of the food of honeybees and are the chief source of protein, minerals and vitamins for the growth and development of larvae and young bees. Pollen provides vitamins, minerals and amino acids in the honey. Analysis of the pollen spectrum in honey samples helps to detect adulteration of honey in the pollen market. Forensic palynology includes the study of pollen and spores for crime investigation. Paleopalynology uses pollen study the past vegetation. Pollen grains reflect the vegetation of an area and surroundings. In several cases, it has been possible to locate the site of crime by studying the pollen in the samples collected from the dead body, from the mud stuck to shoes, clothes, etc. Copropalynology, the study of pollen and coprolites as excrements. Application of pollen biology for the improvement of crop production through in vitro germination, pollen variability, pollen pistil interaction, etc.